What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today I'm going to be adding on to a system I've already created. So let's go ahead and jump right in and show you what we're doing. As you can see, I already added this system in here, but now we have to make downspouts for this big garage here. So I'm going to add a downspout here, tie it to my system over here, and same with the other side. So let's get digging and show you what it does. All right, and here is the right side of the shed. Have it all set up. Had to put a rubber coupling in here, as you can see, but the rubber coupling for this pipe has to go over a bell end and the actual T. So you have to make sure you have both to be able to do this. Plus, as you can see, got the level, completely level. So when I put the downspouts in, now all I have to do is drop them straight onto it. It'll go in, run out, and come all the way out over to here where I did it before. And here we go. Now we have the left side done. Everything's reconnected up. The other downspout and that sump pump, everything's all connected now, going all the way out to the street over there. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.